Start. The writ petition is filed by the petitioner seeking for a direction to the respondent, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, to consider the case of the petitioner under backward class community and as per the community certificate submitted by her for direct recruitment for the posts included in the Combined Engineering Services Examination wide advertisement number 1687 and also pass orders on the petitioner's representations dated 13/2/2010 and 26/8/2010. Next para. In the writ petition, notice was directed to be issued to the Standing Counsel for TNPSC Miss K.N. Niraimathi. Accordingly, notice was issued and she had appeared and produced written instructions given by the Under Secretary TNPSC and also produced an application form submitted by the petitioner including OMR coding sheet. Next para. Heard the arguments of Mr. D. Varadhan, learned standing counsel, leading Mr. R.S. Kumar, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Miss K.N. Niraimathi, learned counsel appearing for the respondent TNPSC. Next para. It is the case of the petitioner that she belongs to backward class community which is listed as a backward class by the state government. She had submitted her application for various posts in the combined engineering services. She had specifically mentioned in the application form that she was Christian by religion and belonged to backward class community. On scrutinizing her application, the respondent TNPSC was satisfied and the hall ticket was sent to her for writing the written examination on 24/10/2010. She wrote the written examination test at Chennai. A list of provisionally admitted candidates for the oral test was published. She was selected in the examination and her registration number 00101454 was found placed in the list. She was also directed to appear for an oral interview by a notice dated 25/7/2010. On 18/10/2010, she had attended the oral test. She was directed to produce all her original documents at the time of the oral test. When she had appeared and produced all the original documents instead of the category under backward class community, she was listed along with the other communities, that is general category. She had admitted that she had not annexed her community certificate along with the application and it was also reflected in the OMR sheet. She brought it to the notice of the respondent TNPSC that she belonged to the caste categorized as one of backward class community. The respondent had never raised the issue about the non-enclosure of certificate. She had produced the community certificate issued by the Tahsildar as she belonged to backward class community. Therefore, she gave a representation dated 22/8/2010 to accept her backward class candidature on the basis of the community certificate. Since the same was not done and after sending further representation dated 26/8/2010, she has come forward with the present writ petition. Next para. Opposing the prayer of the petitioner, it was contended by the respondents that along with application form, instructions to candidates were given, wherein it was indicated that a candidate must produce evidence along with the application form. They must enclose a photostat copy of the certificate. Stop.